Peace and blessings, fam. Tees, braids, and weaves. Hair is what I love to do. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, West Coast Finest. Yes, have you seen the new crochet braid style with Italian perm hair? This new stunning hairstyle combined with elegance of Italian perm hair and with the versatility of crochet braids, offering a unique and stylish look. From protecting your natural hair to adding volume and texture, this hairstyle, ladies, it is what's simply amazing. In this video, I will show you how to achieve this gorgeous look and explore the advantages of choosing Italian perm hair for your next crochet braid hairstyle. Yes, if you are looking for a new style to try or you want to learn more about the benefits of crochet braids, well, ladies, this video is for you. So, as you can see, I am starting on her braid pattern. I have already moisturized her hair and of course given her my famous head and scalp massage. Yes, I give all my clients a included with the price, nothing extra, a really good moisturize with our G&G hair growth butter and our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, if you have not seen it, you can tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website and you will see our G&G hair growth butter and our hair growth oil, which is made with 100% all natural ingredients. To do what? Promote hair growth. So yes, as you can see, my client here, I have chosen the healthiest braid pattern for her hair as well as for this style that she is going to be getting. I am doing this new technique that I came up with, especially for my clients who have thin edges, who are concerned about making sure that their edges stay healthy. Instead of braiding their braid straight back, I kind of braid the braid going down to the side, as you can see here, and then I go back. So see how these braids look? It's almost sort of like a C. The braids come down and then they go a little bit curved and then to the back. This is to prevent any pulling, any stress, and any tension on the edges. And as you can see in the back, I did those braids around the nape of her neck, just going straight across. And this is the healthiest braid pattern for her hair as well as for this beautiful Italian perm hair crochet style that she is going to be getting today. So continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is achieved, and I will come back and give you some of the benefits of wearing crochet braids. Yes, there are many benefits to wearing crochet braids, and I think sometimes we need to be reminded of some of those benefits. So again, continue to keep watching and I will be back very shortly to give you some insight on that. Again, this is the hair that we're going to be using. It is some Italian perm hair. It's straight and it is pre-looped. Yes, it has a pre-loop on it, and I tell you, ladies, I loved working with this hair. It didn't shed, it didn't tangle, it didn't become a big mess, or it didn't get what I want to say, matted. It did not mat up at all, ladies. So if you have not tried this hair, try this hair. This style came out absolutely gorgeous. Again, continue to keep watching, and I will be back very shortly to give you some of the benefits of wearing crochet braids and how this Italian perm hair is working out with this style. ladies, I wanted to discuss some of the benefits of crochet braids with this Italian perm hair. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for a hairstyle that's not only stylish, but also easy to maintain, and that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Versatility is one key factor to consider when choosing a hairstyle. You want to always make sure that the hairstyle that you are choosing is flexible and has versatility. Yes, because that is very essential to keep up with our busy lives. Whether that means being able to wear it in different ways or having the ability to style it quickly, having a hairstyle that's versatile can make all the difference in our daily routine. So yes, as you can see here, I am installing these Italian, yes, this is some Italian perm hair. Look at how beautiful this is coming out. Look how beautiful these colors are blending together. And yes, this style is coming out absolutely gorgeous. And the longevity of this hair or crochet braids is another major advantage. Unlike some other styles that may only last for a few days. Oh, here, look, this is the hair. This is the exact hair. This is the package. Again, it's Italian perm. It's pre-looped, super easy to work with. So again, longevity of crochet braids is a major advantage of this Italian perm hair. Unlike some other styles, they may only last for a few days or a week. Crochet braids can last for several weeks with proper care, making them a great choice for anyone who wants a style that's going to stand the test of time. This can be especially beneficial for those with busy schedules who don't have a lot of time to dedicate to their hair. Crochet braids with Italian perm hair are also incredible protective style. Yes, these crochet braids or this crochet hair is a perfect protective style. It gives your own hair a chance to rest and relax while also wearing a style that is very fashionable. And it can also minimize and reduce breakage and damage to your natural hair. The Italian perm hair itself is designed to be gentle and non-damaging. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to promote healthy hair while still looking stylish. So as you can see here, this style is almost complete. I am loving the way that this style is coming out. I am loving these colors and how they are blending in together. I am loving how full the style was looking. And again, look how beautiful this is. As you can see, it did not tangle, it did not mat up, and look how beautiful this style is. My client is loving this style. She is going to be able to style it in various ways. She can wear it on the left side, the right side. She can part it down the middle and wear the middle part. She can pull it back in a ponytail. This style is very versatile and it is absolutely gorgeous. So again, if you have not tried the Italian perm hair, try it. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, I loved it and so did she. So thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe to my channel, comment, leave me some details below if you've ever tried this hair before or if you are interested in thinking about trying this hair. Leave me some comments below. Also, watch some of my other videos so that you can see some other beautiful crochet styles that I've created, and I show you step-by-step tutorials where you can do these styles simply by yourself at home. Again, stay safe, stay blessed, and thanks for watching.